Wetin go scatter your plan today? I get that level forecast wey go make you no mess up. No comot house before you check this. If na rain, sun dust or thunder, na here you go first sabi am. Up north, dust haze dey everywhere today. No too clear well, visibility low especially around Borno, Yobe. Meaning say if you dey Kano, Sokoto, Katsina, dust high, sun dey shine but a cloudy small. Inside north central like Abuja, Naija, Benin, tiny haze still dey. Nothing heavy but sky get small cloud too. Down south like Lagos, Delta, Rivers, today go be cloudy sky with small sunshine wey go flash. Afternoon and evening a fit turn thunder rain for places like Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Ondo. Bayelsa, Cross River, Akwa Ibom stand small chance for morning thunder too. Dust still dey hang for north and north central. If you get asthma, try protect yourself. If rain land for your area, make you slow down for road. No rush, oh! Airplanes people and outdoor people, check here first before you plan journey. Abuja clear but hazy, Kano dusty, Yobe moderate dust, feel am low. Lagos sweaty but cloudy, Rivers get rain cloud, Cross River small thunder drop fit day. Remember, this forecast now for today, Tuesday, February 24, 2026. Make una wear appropriate cloth, carry umbrella if necessary, no let weather lose guard you today. Na Pidgin Vibez guy dey sign out. Before you comot house tomorrow, check here first.